We're at the Workaholic's house. Here's the weed sign on the door.
Walking change about.
There's a look inside of the window, and it's like a weed thing and some Thai. I think it's the kitchen, and I think that's the kitchen too, and there's some cups. There's the backyard. It's probably how they get up on the roof. There's a cone on the roof. See inside the house. That's what it looks like. There's a director's chair right there. And there's the kitchen. Can't see too much more. This is inside of one of the rooms. You can tell the walls are blue. And there's some clothes. There's the room. And there's some posters on the wall. Another weed thing in the bed. There's some toilet paper. We're at the office building right now, and we're with my stocking. We're doing this. There's Chandler Valley Center Studios. There's my sister-in-law taking selfies. It's the doors, and the inside looks like that. There's the side where they used to sit. There's where the cars are parked.